I'm sure we've all had it before. You wake up in the morning, not feeling like it. You just want to call in and pull that button. What's the button? Pull in a sickie. You just do one of those games, you know what I mean? I'm not feeling too well, but you're actually okay. Or one of these. Yeah. Yeah, basically, let's just say, I've got a quick word for you, just a quick one. You said you had the flu. Right, what are my lines again? You said you had the flu, so you took a day off or two. Your employer believed you, but it wasn't true. The truth is, God sees everything we do. We represent his name. He must be thinking, what a shame. We are Christians, children of God. We don't play those kind of games. So don't pull a sickie any weekie.